Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to find the different keyboard shortcuts that you can use when editing Google Docs. This is under the Help menu. If you click on Help in Google Docs, way down at the bottom, you'll see Keyboard Shortcuts. If you click on that, it will open up a pop-up window that shows you all the different keyboard shortcuts that are available when editing Google Docs. These are the types of things that are going to be different from user to user, but if you've ever found yourself in a position where you're thinking, I put text in bold quite a bit, it's kind of a pain to highlight it, take my mouse, move it up to the formatting bar, click on the bold icon to make that text bold. It'd be nice if I didn't have to always take my hand and move it, move the mouse, and whatnot in order to do this. That takes a little bit of extra time, and I do it a lot, so it ends up wasting a lot of time. Keyboard shortcuts are for you. If you've highlighted the text you would like to make boldface, you can just use Control B, and that will automatically put that text in boldface, and you won't have to take your mouse and move it to one of the menus. And there's all sorts of these different kinds of keyboard shortcuts. You can have one for making text italicized, underlined, strike through, subscript, superscript, clear formatting, paragraph formatting, a bunch of different options. Keyboard options or keyboard shortcuts with objects, keyboard shortcuts for editing, navigation, menus, working with comments. All sorts of keyboard shortcuts that can save you time and make you much more efficient when working with Google Docs.